Isa palang perfect example si Stephen ng TDH. We are not sure kung siya ay tall, dark, and handsome, but I'm sure he is a TDH. T, true believer of Christ. Check. D, dunamis, filled person. He has the power to be a courageous witness. Grabe, check na check. And lastly, handang mamatay para kay Kristo. Stephen, he's a man full of God's grace and power. Kaya dahil doon, nakakapag-perform siya ng miracles and great wonders. Opposition arose from Jew. And itong mga Jew na to, they began to argue with Stephen. Nag-disagree sila, nag-resist sila sa mga teachings ni Stephen tungkol kay Jesus. Sinubukan pa nila na i-challenge yung authority at yung mga words ni Stephen. They could not stand up against the wisdom na ibinigay sa kanya ng Holy Spirit. They could not win the argument because Stephen spoke with great wisdom na galing sa Holy Spirit. Kapag filled ka ng Holy Spirit, nakikita ang mga fruits nito sa buhay natin. Stephen was not filled with fear or ng galit. Kasi ang taong puno ng galit at takot, mahirap makapagbigay ng tama at payapang sagot. A person full of the Holy Spirit is calm because they are not overcome or overwhelmed by fear, but anchored in the inner peace that comes from the Holy Spirit alone.